I want to introduce you guys a segment of Antarian message. They were sending some activation through this channeling message, so I was told it's important to put this on here. So bear with me, and here's the message.
We like your energy of passions to humanity. We see many of you are not connected to their own mission. It is extremely important energy to going back as who you are. Passion is a key to open up the door of who you really are and connecting with their higher self. We are sending our activation for humanity to be awakened through their own passion, awaken themselves to be who they really are. It is important to transmit this segment of activation to humanity, both of you need to do it. Because we see about, we will say 20% of humanities are living their life through their passion, connecting to who they are. And the rest of you are not connected with their passion. Small passion, small daily excitement will help to ignite depression. But it is very important to start living little by little through your action, doing something exciting on a daily basis to go back as who you are. Inner work is everything about letting go. Inner work is in touch with your passion, your joy, your excitement. And it is extremely important for all of you to get in touch with your own passion, which is deep to the heart. When you want to connect with your passion, think of that which will unite your heart, your energetic fire in your heart, to reconnect with your passion.
Thank you so much for listening. Please subscribe, like, and share. See you next Monday. Bye.